Hi, welcome to Finance Masterclass. Today I'll be sharing with you 5 instruments from which you can earn money when the market is bullish. Number 1, by buying a stock and keeping it for a long time. It can be from any group of shares, small cap, mid cap or large cap. Number 2, by buying a stock on an intraday basis, and you buy it today and you sell today. Number 3, buying of futures by paying an initial margin and maintaining your account with maintenance margin. Number 4, buying a call option and paying a premium which has a limited loss. And number 5 is selling a put which has a higher risk. So these are the 5 instruments in which you can make money if you're predicting the market to be